Hi friends, who doesn't know Gmail today? Almost everyone. And almost every one of you may be using it, isn't it? Yes. But do you know that Gmail provides an important feature using which you can send an auto reply mail to someone in your absence? Yes. Suppose you are working in a company and you are on summer vacation leave for 15 days. But you want during that 15 days, during that summer vacations, if anyone sends you mail, an auto reply mail should be sent to him or her informing that I am out of my office and I will respond your mail after 15 days. You can do such settings in your Gmail account. Let's we learn it. Stay tuned. Hi friends, welcome to Online Shiksha. Today in this video you will learn how to set an auto reply mail in Gmail account. So for that, first of all open your Gmail account and then move your mouse pointer at the top right corner of your computer screen. You will find one setting option here. Click this setting option. Soon I click this setting option, I find one quick setting pane appears here. Here we find one more option like see all settings. Click this see all setting options. The next screen appears this way. Here we find one general tab appears here which is already active. If this general tab is not active, click over it to activate this first. Then scroll your mouse down and at the end of this screen you will find one of the option vacation responder. In this option you will find two sub options, vacation responder off and vacation responder on. Here just below you will find the range of date. Between this range of date you can make this vacation responder option active. So let's we see here, this date can be changed, can be customized according to your need. Let us see, suppose I want it should be responded from today itself, means from June 16, 2020, and then after I want it should be continue till 30 of June. I have selected the range of date here. You can see, I show you in zoom view, you can see here the range of date I have selected from 16th June to 30th June. Means if anyone will mail me between this period of time, one automatic mail will be sent to him or her informing some information which I will put into this subject column and in this message column. Suppose in the subject I write automated mail, or you can also write like this system generated mail, for your kind information mail, automatic mail, this way. And then after you have to type the message here that you want to reply them to whom you cannot respond right now. Suppose I write here, dear sir oblique madam, I'm sorry, I am out of my office, so I will respond your mail. I will respond your mail after 30th June 2020. Now you can see this mail will be sent automatically to that person who will mail me between this range of date 16th May 2020 to 30th May 2020. Means if anyone sends me mail during that period, this mail will be sent to them and the sender will also be sure that they can respond my mail after 30th of June. So this way you have to set this, and then after again you have to come a little below. Here you find one of the option save changes. Click this save changes option. Soon you click this save changes option, you find one of the confirmation message is given here, like automated mail end now vacation setting. Means this message shows me that you have activated your vacation response. Now if anyone will send me mail, an auto reply mail will be sent to him or her informing that message which I have recently put into the message box of vacation responder. To see the proof, I am opening another email account which is in Rediff Mail. In Rediff Mail I have opened my Rediff Mail account. Now suppose I write any mail and I send to that Gmail account in which I have activated vacation responder setting. Here I type the mail and then after subject, suppose I write here leave for a day, and then after whatever the message is I am typing the message here, and after that I send it. To send this you have to click this send option. Soon I click this send option, I find that this type of confirmation message is given, your mail has been sent, and in the inbox automatically after few times one automatic mail will be given in this. Let us see, wait for a few seconds. Now you can see one automatic mail has been sent to me. Here you can see, click this mail, you will see the message which I had already written in the Gmail account vacation responder setting message box has been displayed here, has been sent here. Now you can see that message is displayed here, dear sir oblique madam, I am sorry, I am out of my office, so I will respond your mail after 30 June 2020. So this way you can also set vacation responder when you are unable to take and unable to respond the mails. Now to turn off this vacation responder setting, again you will have to go to this setting option. Click this setting option. Soon you click this setting option, one quick setting pane appears here. Click this or see all setting option, then scroll your mouse down, you will find there are two options here. Right now the vacation responder on, so change this to off, and then again scroll your mouse down and click this save changes. As soon you click the save changes, the vacation responder gets off, and now if anyone will send you mail, no automatic mail will be sent to them. So this way you can customize your Gmail account. That's all for this video. I hope this video is found to be helpful. If yes, please show me your support by giving this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to share it to your friends and let them also be benefited. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon and select all option to get the latest notifications of such more videos. My name is Suman Mehta. I thank you so much for watching.